At the beginning of the European session, the US dollar continued losing value. Investors are pricing in yesterday's US inflation data. The report unveiled that the growth in consumer prices slackened, thus proving the Fed's assumption that high inflation is a short-lived phenomenon. It means that there is no need to close some stimulus programs right now. At the same time, the Bank of England announced its readiness to raise the key interest rate. In the UK, inflation surged to 3.2% from 2%, whereas economists had expected a smaller rise to 2.9%. Nevertheless, the pound sterling managed to stay afloat. Such a sharp jump in inflation threatens the UK economic recovery. What's more, the Bank of England has to take some measures which could surprise market participants. The euro gained in value amid the Eurozone industrial production report. Thus, the indicator's growth slowed down to 7.7% from 10.1%, whereas analysts had expected an increase of 6.2%. On a monthly basis, industrial production advanced by 1.5% instead of 0.5%. The US will also provide information on its industrial production today. The data is likely to be almost the same as in the Eurozone. Positive figures may lead to the US dollar appreciation. Let us take a look at the euro-dollar trading chart. A rebound from the support level of 1.1770 returned the pair to the local high of 1.1850 locked on September 10. As a result, the volume of long positions declined and the price dropped to the support level of 1.1800. Despite the recent fluctuations, the market situation remained the same. The downward trend that began in June is still in force. What's more, the euro may slide even deeper. The level of 1.1800 is still exerting pressure on sellers. As a result, the pair stagnated and fell. If the euro-dollar pair fixes below 1.1790 on the 4-hour chart, the volume of short orders is likely to jump. In this case, the price may slide to 1.1770 and 1.1700. According to the alternative scenario, the pair may consolidate above 1.1850 on the 4-hour chart. In this case, the market sentiment may change. Yesterday, the pound-dollar pair showed high volatility and broke the resistance level of 1.3880. However, later the volume of long positions dropped and the price returned to the level of 1.3800. Buyers of the pound sterling managed to slow down the downward movement. As a result, the pair began hovering between the levels of 1.3800 and 1.3880. Traders are mainly focused on the level of 1.38. If the price fixes below it on the 4-hour chart, it may continue falling. In general, the pair may break at the limit of the range. That's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours.